afternoon to our Honorable Sunday Group Board members, our respectful guest speakers, and also ladies and gentlemen. I'm MC of the day appointed by my company for the Sunday Group Charity Event year 2020. First and foremost, I would like to thank my company for choosing me as an MC for this charity event. This event has been organized by the Sunday Group, and the theme of this event is Together We Can Make a Difference, to share and show care. The main purpose of organizing this event is to support those people who might face many challenges in their life, such as victims from natural disaster or any other diseases, orphanage, and also poverty, by providing them shelter, medical aid, food, and other essential needs as well. It is really a very good move that Sunday Group has been taken, which should be appreciated and must be encouraged by everybody in order to help those needy people. Today, a special guest speaker has joined together with us to deliver a speech as an opening ceremony in this event. I would like to share some background details of our speaker before he starts his speech. He is a well-known businessman and has succeeded in many divisions of business in his life, such as in management, manufacturing, and also philosophies. At the age of 22, he was so determined to accomplish in his business and was able to earn his first million at the age of 26 after so many years of hard work and dedication. Besides, he also established a non-profit charity organization in Shah Alam, which is known as Great Heart Charity Association, to show more concern towards people who are sick and homeless. Moreover, he tends to attract the younger generations to be the volunteers and members in this organization. This is because he trusts that this organization will turn into an education for all. Not only that, he also does some other volunteering services like Gotong Royong, and also helps more underprivileged people. Furthermore, he was also rewarded the prestigious CSR Company of the Year Award at CSR Malaysia Awards 2019. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our special guest speaker today, Mr. Frankie C. Swee Choi, to begin his speech about importance of charity on this wonderful day.